So in step 3, you're actually creating your social media accounts. In step 4, you're going to start linking those accounts together. So linking your social media accounts together makes it possible that when you post on one account, it also appears simultaneously on another account. So for example, if you post something on Facebook, it will automatically be tweeted as well. And that's useful because it means that you're going to have consistency in your posts, and it also can increase the likelihood that your content is going to reach your audience if you're posting on more than one platform. And then it saves you time because you don't have to actually make the post multiple times to have it appear on multiple accounts. Not all social media platforms can be linked or should be, and you're going to read some tips about which ones you might not want to link versus which ones would be good to link before you complete this assignment. Now, in addition to linking your accounts, you can also manage your social media accounts from one central place using something like Hootsuite or another social media cross-publishing tool. So, for information about those cross platform publishing tools, you can click on the possible tools for the lesson that are in the resources section. So, remember that if you go back up to the top of the page and just go back to where this lesson was posted, right outside of the assignments folder that we were just in resources and useful tools, you have several links here that you're probably not going to be using all of, but there are several that you might want to take a look at. So for example, possible tools for the lesson, of course, have tons of links here for you, but the ones that might be helpful for this lesson are your cross-platform publishing tools. So you can see here links to Hootsuite, TweetDeck, Buffer, Shareaholic, and even more. All of these are tools that can be used to manage all of your social media accounts. Now, my personal favorite, and I'll show you a little bit about it in a few minutes, is Hootsuite. But as you can see here, if you're using Pinterest, you can't manage Pinterest through Hootsuite or really any of these other cross-platform publishing websites. So nothing's going to work for everything, but you might find something that would work for what you need. So just as an example, I'm going to go ahead and click over to Hootsuite, and as you can see, I am signed in already. So once I'm in Hootsuite, you can see that I have several tabs here. So I have my Twitter linked, Facebook. I actually have 2 tabs for Twitter, and I'll explain that more in a separate video. LinkedIn, Facebook groups, and even more. The kind of neat thing about Hootsuite, one of the big reasons for using it, is that when you type a message, I can actually choose which social media profile it goes out to. So if I want to tweet this and then I also want to post it on Facebook, I can post it to Facebook as myself and in a certain group. I could post it in LinkedIn if I wanted to. If I need to add a link to a website in here, then I could do that. It would automatically shrink that link for me. I can even attach images or files, but the great thing is not only can I send it right now, I can also with Hootsuite schedule my message. So I can sit here on Monday morning and go ahead and schedule all of my tweets, all of my Facebook posts, all of my LinkedIn posts if I wanted to, for all of my different social media accounts and have it done. Now, of course, I would want to monitor those and, reply back and interact with anybody who retweets or replies or anything like that, but the bulk of the work can be done using the schedule, which is kind of nice. Send it now, I can just click send now, and now if I went and looked over at Twitter, there is my tweet. Hootsuite also has some really nice things like analytics and different options that make tracking and analyzing your social media usage really, really nice. But I will talk more about that in a separate video just about Hootsuite. Point being here that you can check out all of these different tools, decide which one you like best and use it, or you can just use, schedule your post or make your post individually. Those tools just can make it a little bit easier and faster if you have lots of posts to make. So what you're going to be doing in step 4 is deciding which accounts you want to link, which you might not want to link. Maybe you don't always want the exact same information going out on Twitter and Facebook. Maybe you're going to use them for different reasons. Whatever you decide is fine. You just have to make sure that you have, again, a rationale for your decision. So you have directions and videos that hopefully will be helpful in deciding which ones to link and how to link them. And then again, you can refer to that resources page, the possible tools for the lesson, to learn more about the different platforms. So after you've made your decision about linking your social media accounts, you're going to write a blog post on your Tumblr blog explaining your decision and the rationale behind your decision. And then you are going to click here and just submit the link to your blog. That will let me know that you have completed that post and you are finished with step number 4.